actually 4-5 days dirty smell eta. Then what happened is neighbor I said something is dead or what.
Okay.
So she said woi makai vas yeta. Then after that we came here Rati torch and then this neighbor.
Yeah.
A neighbor told me morning video he saw and all worms. Then again next day we went. Then I messaged whoever the concerned department. There was no response. Yesterday we went to the panchayat. We showed the video. They told us talk to your punch member. We spoke. They said talk to VP secretary. They said go to health department. And now all this is so many days. That day that senior citizen she vomited over there. So I said that is the reason why. Then I contacted Warren. Ki our work is not being done. We don't have time to go here, there. People will fall sick. And Warren, in no time, he told me, yes, I'm coming tomorrow without wasting time.
अरे तिगूर आहे थिंगा मेलोली. So the water, it looks like the water is contaminated. वास सारको सोसू जायना. भुरगीं रावताय, senior citizen रावताय, families आहे. इस्कला वचपाची भुरगीं. So it's not a good sign. I will immediately हांव उलयलो तेंचे ऑलरेडी आमी एक सोल्युशन काडला साफ करपाचो तो फूल साफ करतले आमी हालसोन. सो चड कांय उलोवपा न्हू, वी शूड गेट ऑन ग्राउंड एंड वर्क रादर देन टॉकिंग. सो I have committed to them that I will clean this entire passage and I will give them, because तुवें देखून चोयलें संतोष बाब वास येता सारको, स्ट्रॉंग वास सारको. आनी जोरी तर ही फायल WRD पडटी ती WRD घायल्या फायल वयरसून वयर वयता म्हळ्यार पावस येतलो. पावसान मागीर कांय करूं जावपा ना. तेमगे देखून हाटड्या देखून फॅमिली आहाय तेमी देखून रिक्वेस्ट केला आनी 4 वरां जालीं साफ केलें ना. 4 वरां पयलीं केलें म्हणटाय ती. आनी हांव तें हाल साफ करून दिता तेमकां फूल.